Cardano value equivalent to 13,777 rands a coin. The present cost range 13.60-565, 14.5-65. The earlier day close 13.90-709. The change was 0.932 to 67%. Converse rate ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 16 ZAR rands. Exorbitant cost 1986, while low cost 16 ZAR. The found the middle value of cost 1761. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1856, change for July 16%. Cardano gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 1856 rands. Excessive cost 2304, while low cost 1856. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2042. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2153, change for August 16%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 2153 rands. Excessive cost 2619, while low cost 2153. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2343. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2448, change for September 13.7%. Cardano figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 2448 rands. Exorbitant cost 2611, while low cost 2269. The found the middle value of cost 2442. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2440, change for October's 3%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 2440 rands. Exorbitant cost 2440, while low cost 1999. The found the middle value of cost 2257. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2149, change for November 11.9%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 2149 rands. Excessive cost 2339, while low cost 2033. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2177. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2186, change for December 17%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 2186 rands. Excessive cost 2376, while low cost 2066. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2212. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2221, change for January 16%. Cardano conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 2221 rands. Exorbitant cost 2425, while low cost 2107. The found the middle value of cost 2255. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2266, change for February 2%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 2266 rands. Exorbitant cost 2475, while low cost 2151. The found the middle value of cost 2301. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2013, change for spring 1%. Cardano gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 2313 rands. Exorbitant cost 2731, while low cost 2313. The found the middle value of cost 2477. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2552, change for April 10.3%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 2552 rands. Excessive cost 2598, while low cost 2258. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2459. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2428, change for May 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at 2428 rands. Excessive cost 3013, while low cost 2428. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2671. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2816, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 2816 rands. Exorbitant cost 3061, while low cost 2661. The found the middle value of cost 2850. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2861, change for July 16%. Cardano estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at 2861 rands. Exorbitant cost 3110, while low cost 2704. The found the middle value of cost 2896. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2907, change for August 16%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2907 rands. Exorbitant cost 2931, while low cost 2547. The founder middle value of cost 2781. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2739, change for September 58%. Cardano estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 2739 rands. Exorbitant cost 3032, while low cost 2636. The founder middle value of cost 2810. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2834, change for October 35%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2834 rands. Exorbitant cost 2834, while low cost 2345. The founder middle value of cost 2634. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2522, change for November 11%. Cardano gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 2522 rands. Exorbitant cost 3094, while low cost 2522. The founder middle value of cost 2758. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2892, change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 2892 rands. Exorbitant cost 3144, while low cost 2732. The founder middle value of cost 2917. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2938, change for January 16%. Cardano gauge for February 2026. To start with, cost at 2938 rands. Exorbitant cost 3194, while low cost 2776. The founder middle value of cost 2973. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2985, change for February 16%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 2985 rands. Exorbitant cost 3245, while low cost 2821. The founder middle value of cost 3021. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3033, change for spring 16%. Cardano figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 3033 rands. Excessive cost 3606, while low cost 3033. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3261. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3370, change for April 1%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 3370 rands. Exorbitant cost 3370, while low cost 2918. The founder middle value of cost 324. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3148, change for May 6%. Cardano estimate for June 2026. To start with, cost at 3148 rands. Exorbitant cost 3412, while low cost 2974. The founder middle value of cost 3186.